What's up everybody, it's Sean here and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the Adidas Ultraboost DNA in the Terry Fox colorway. This pair released on December 8th as a Canadian Adidas.ca exclusive. Retailing for 250 Canadian dollars, which translates to about 195 US, these were limited only to 2,020 pairs. The official colorway for this shoe is Collegiate Navy, Cloud White, and Gold Metallic, and the inspiration behind this colorway is basically a reimagination of what Terry Fox would wear if he ran the Marathon of Hope in today's day and age. Terry Fox, for those that don't know, is a Canadian legend. At a young age, he was diagnosed with cancer, and as a result of that, he lost one of his legs. In order to raise money and awareness for cancer research, Terry Fox embarked on the Marathon of Hope run, which was supposed to be a cross-country run throughout Canada. Unfortunately, however, he only lasted 2 years. The cancer he thought he had beaten returned once again and spread further throughout his body, and he was laid to rest in 1982. So a few months back, I reviewed the Adidas Orion, and that's a shoe that Terry Fox ran during his actual Marathon of Hope run. So if you compare that shoe with this one, there's many similarities between the two, most obviously the color scheme. And to me at least, not only was this a very nice looking sneaker, but add to the fact the meaning behind the shoe, and on top of that, 100% of the net proceeds from these sneakers is donated by Adidas Canada to the Terry Fox Foundation. So all in all, to me at least, this is just a very important shoe and one that's going to a very good cause. So jumping into the details, the upper of these Ultraboosts is constructed out of Adidas Primeknit. This Primeknit is very stretchy and it's done in this navy blue color. Surrounding the outer edge of the toe box, here we have this navy blue colored overlay, which gives you added structure and durability. Covering the midfoot, here we have the signature Ultraboost TPU cage. This is done in this navy blue color, and overlaid on top we have these white colored Adidas 3 stripes. Surrounding the back heel, we have more of this TPU, and this heel cup on the lateral side has Ultraboost branding, but it's done in this tonal blue finish. On the other side, however, on the left shoe we have the year 1980 printed on in gold, which again marks the year that Terry Fox embarked on his run. And then on the right shoe we have the year 2020, which marks the 40th anniversary. For the laces, these come with these flat navy blue colored laces, and they have these gold lace tips which has St. John's, which is the city that Terry Fox started his run in, along with Thunder Bay, which is the last city that he reached before succumbing to cancer. As with all Ultraboosts, the tongue is a one-piece tongue connected to the rest of the shoe. We have this synthetic leather tag with the Canadian maple leaf in gold. The inner liner of these Ultraboosts is lined in this white colored textile, and then taking out the insoles, these come with a navy blue colored insole with the 40th anniversary of the Marathon of Hope branded on the heel. The upper of these Ultraboosts sits atop this full-length Boost midsole. This is left in white, giving it a very nice contrast in comparison to the upper, and then turning the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your classic Ultraboost outsole. This is constructed out of this black colored Continental rubber. We can see the exposed boost throughout, and then in the middle, we have this torsion system bar which is done in gold, and this helps to give you torsional rigidity and midfoot support. In terms of sizing, I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side. I opted to get these in a size 10 and they fit me very well in a nice snug way. If you prefer your shoes to fit a bit more roomy, then you can consider going up a half size, but generally speaking, I think true to size should be the way to go. Next up, in terms of comfort, so it pretty much goes without saying by now that the Ultraboost is one of the top shoes for comfort. Boost technology has a very nice pillowy softness to it, and to many people out there, the Ultraboost is the king. So if you're the type that really likes that soft, squishy feeling, then you'll really like the feel of these on feet. But on the other hand, if you're someone that likes a bit more firmness and sturdiness to your shoes, then you might not enjoy the feeling of Ultraboost on feet. So my best bet would be trying on some other pair of Ultraboosts in the store if possible. I know given the COVID situation, it's a bit tough right now, but these feel pretty much identical to your average Ultraboost on the market. So with all that being said now, let's lace up these Terry Fox Ultraboosts and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Overall, I'm very happy to add this pair to my collection. This is definitely not the most hyped sneaker out there, and in fact, most of the sizes are still sitting on the website. However, being a Canadian, Terry Fox is a legend in our history, and this is just a piece that means a lot to me on a personal level. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this Terry Fox Ultraboost DNA. How do you guys feel about the look of this shoe? And I know there's not a lot of hype to them, but did you manage to cop a pair or did you guys pass? If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thanks so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video.